like we have a match on the inventory count for the ECS ducts.
Confirmed. All green on the manifest?
The specialized ECS components demand meticulous manual layering, while general airframe brackets are rapidly produced by robots.
In the separate Process B zone, the structural bracket layout is finalized. An industrial robot applies automated.
Verify the cure cycle parameters are loaded correctly.
Confirmed. All settings match the spec sheet for the legacy scheme.
Temperature and pressure curves are peaking as expected for Process A.
Yes, and Process B is stabilizing nicely.
With a controlled hiss and a gentle mechanical groan, the massive stainless steel door of the main autoclave.
These dark gray carbon fiber ECS ducts are critical for the Super Hornet. The Ducting process.
The specialized 5-axis robot precisely trims the carbon fiber ECS ducting. This ensures the precise geometry.
The automated ultrasonic system ensures the integrity of the Super Hornet's ECS ducting, detecting any subsurface flaws before installation.
Maintain the current speed. The coverage looks uniform around the bend. Data confirms successful application of the ECS coating.
Final fastener secured, torque value 52.
Recording that now. All green on Process A.
Complex carbon fiber ECS duct subassemblies are neatly organized in a climate-controlled staging area.
Make sure this section is completely clear before we bring in the ducts.
Yes, I've marked the final attachment point right here.
As the fuselage rotates, the installed ECS ducting is visible.
Using automated riveting equipment, the remaining composite material reinforces the primary structure, maximizing efficiency.
The integration of the wing box is a critical step, utilizing Process B components for structural integrity.
Weld looks solid across the brake.
Confirmed. ECS integration complete on this section.
The massive turbofan engines are carefully hoisted and positioned into the mounts. Simultaneously, the auxiliary
Parsons. This zone focuses purely on integration and system connection. Large industrial routes assist.
With the canopy secured, the pre-installed carbon fiber ECS ducting ensures perfect pressurization integrity, a vital step before rollout.
Pressure and temperature are stable. Cycling the air conditioning packs now. And we have full validation on the ECS installation.
Initiating flight control sweeps. ECS parameters nominal. Confirmative. All indicators green. Looking good. Tower, this is test flight 66. ECS check is complete and fully operational. Ready for taxi.
No signs of stress on the carbon fiber ducting.
Data logs confirm nominal performance. We are green across the board.
That's the last insignia secured. Looks flawless under the spot check. Ready for sign-off.
This Super Hornet represents the pinnacle of precision engineering.
It's an honor to accept this world-class asset on behalf of the Canadian Forces.
Scene 79, the A-18F Super Hornet takes off on its long ferry flight, concluding the logistics phase of the high-value machine.
The carbon fiber looks good. No delamination visible on the interior ducting.
Thermal readings are nominal.
This ECS ducting is crucial for the high G maneuvers at altitude.
Agreed. Life support performance must be flawless for this profile.
Cockpit to ground. Final checks complete.
Roger. Viper 1. Clear to launch. Scramble, scramble.
ground control. ECS pressure holding steady at 50.2. All systems green. Ground, this is 401, inbound on target at Angels 20. Stand by for impact assessment.
Clear the immediate area. Weapon systems hot. Confirm green on the ECS bypass.
The movement is smooth and instantaneous, reflecting the structural strength provided by the carbon fiber brackets manufactured in Process B.